Previously, we talked about how to handle control flow using if statements. In this video, we're going to extend it now to how to deal with the else part of it, and basically the default side of it. If is not sunbathing weather, then we want to do something else, as we've got here. If something, then do that, else do something different. So if you want to know how to handle the else side of it, well, it's really quite simple. We just use the else keyword, and then we have a code block here, and we just do what the else is. So we can just add this print here, and let's not go sunbathing, and do something different. So it's really exactly the same, but if this isn't true, then it will do this instead. So it's nothing much more than that. So basically, if you don't supply the else statement, then it's just not going to do anything. So if you do supply it, then if this is false, it's going to come to the print statement as well. It's really as simple as that. When would you want to use else statements? Well, if you've got some code down here, and we'll just say print me, and we run it, you'll see that print me gets printed anyway, right? And if we put it to 26 now and we run it again, you can see let's go sunbathing and print me, we don't get let's not go sunbathing. So sometimes you don't want some code to run by default. You only want it to run in the event that a specific condition is met or isn't met. Now in this case, we want the else statement to only print when this condition is not met, so it's the opposite of it. All right, so this is why it's important to wrap it with inside of the else statement. Now there are possibly other conditions that you want to meet, but we'll talk about that in other videos. So this was just a short video to introduce you to the else statement, the else conditional statement. There's a lot more that we can do with this. So with that said, I hope that you've got something out this one video. It's very, very short. It didn't really need much to talk about it. If you have got something out of it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and do all of the other social media things that go with it. Other than that, if you've got any questions, feedback, concerns, etc., then let's start a conversation in the comment section down below. And other than that, thanks very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao, and goodbye.